Yo, what's up guys, it's Drolby, and today I want to show you this wallet over here. You can search for it yourself. And why I want to show you this wallet is because this wallet is actually printing money really good. So only last week, I will show you everything like deeply, he made 13% ROI, and he is not trading like new tokens or something else. He is actually trading Ethereum and he is trading Bitcoin. So this is only two coins which he is trading for past 1500 days. And like I said last week on last trade, he made 13% ROI, which is insane for me. So before we start to see what the hell he was doing, please subscribe to my channel because I need 1000 subscribers and you would help me a lot with it. So first thing, what we are doing over here, this is DAI, basically stable coin. Over here right now he's holding 18 million, and this over here is USDC. Last week they had big issues with that bank crashing, and I just want to show you what the hell he was doing. So 9 days ago he swapped 3 million of USDC for Ethereum and 3,028,000 for Ethereum as well. I will show you trades as well. I'm just showing you so you can see that I'm not lying, that this is actually happening. And with DAI stablecoin, he exchanged it 4 times altogether: 2.5 million, 2.5, 2.5, and 2.7 million dollars. Altogether, he paid 16 million of stable for all this Ethereum. And like you can see over here, it's a bit better. So this is USDC swap and this is DAI swap. And then 2 days ago, you can see that he exchanged all of that, altogether 11,000 Ethereum for $18,300. You can see that trade over here. We can click here as well, and then you can see current value and value on day of the swap. So the numbers are correct, and this guy made over $2 million in only like 8 days. So this is not just some luck swap. For example, let's check his last trade. This was over here in November last year. He's not trading a lot, only good trades. Over here we can see that he swapped 9.6 million DAI and 200 BTC for 10,000 Ethereum, and over here you can see that he sold all those 10,200 Ethereum. And over here when I calculate how much he bought in, so for example he buy for $13 million, and like you can see over here he sold all those 10,000 Ethereum for 14.7. So on this trade over here he made $1.7 million profit, and I was going through his account and he's always making money. So then when I did a bit better research, I needed to follow like few addresses, but this is probably his account because most of trades are well connected. And I found when he bought all those Ethereum, and over here you can see that he started buying 1,577 days ago, and over here like you can see that was in 2018, 20th of November. And if we go to Ethereum and we go to 2018, that was somewhere over here. So Ethereum was around like $350, and only over here he bought like 12,000 Ethereum. And since then 1,577 days he was only like trading ETH. Here and there he would buy like some other token. And then I was doing some research, and for example on this account over here you can see it yourself. This is also his account. I could legit see it, and this account is inactive for more than a year, for like 500 days was last when this account was active. And over here he has 136,000 in 9 tokens, like you can see over here. In this one he has 80, then over here 50, over here 2,000, and another like $10,000, which he probably don't even know that he holds, because like I said, this account is inactive 500 days. And then I found another one. This was account which he was using when he was buying all this Ethereum, and on this account he has 1,000 of ETH and 102,000 of stablecoin, and this account was inactive 945 days. So he is clearly full of money. And then my main question is, this guy is printing really good. This bear market didn't even like touch him. He had insane trades, and then over here he sold all his position in like 1,670 Ethereum range. It was somewhere over here, and then we need to ask myself, does this guy know something? Because right now he's holding only stable and we are like kind of pumping. Is this some kind of like bull trap, or he's just missing on all this profit? So it's up to you. You need to do your own decision. But like I said, this guy sold all his Ethereum 2 days ago, and right now he's hoping that Ethereum will dump. So once again, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in next one.